How to fix Microsoft Office error code 147-0. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. This can resolve issues related to permissions that might be causing the error code 147-0 during the installation or updating of Microsoft Office. Open Start and type Fix Windows Store. Keeping Windows up to date is crucial for the smooth operation of applications, including Microsoft Office. Updates can provide fixes to compatibility issues and bugs that might be causing the error. Choose the option for online repair and click Repair. Follow the prompts to finish the process. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.